It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Roy's. As you put together your spring cleaning list, here's a few easy-to-do things that your heating and cooling system will love. First, change your air filters. This should be done more than once a year, but many homeowners forget to change their filters as often as they should. Dirty filters block airflow and reduce your system's efficiency. Check your filters and replace them if necessary. A new filter will keep your air conditioner, furnace, and entire home cleaner and save you money long term. Air vents tend to attract dust. Clearing away that dust helps keep your indoor air quality in good shape. If your vents are really dirty, you may need to wash them with soap and water. Change your thermostat batteries. Thermostats usually give you a warning when the batteries are about to go bad, but it's important to stay on top of it. Thermostat batteries usually last a year or so. Changing them each spring stops the chaos of a sudden failure. Finally, schedule a professional tune-up. A trained technician can inspect, clean, and service your system to prevent issues down the road. Breathe easy by following these simple steps so your HVAC system will run smoother, last longer, and save you money. We thought you'd like to know.